Hey everybody, my name is Allison Ostrander. I'm the Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. And in today's video, I am looking at a trade idea on Google. Now, you could potentially look at this as a short-term scalping play or a potential longer-term swing play. The reason why this one is on my radar is for a few different indicators. The first is that price has pulled back into the 30 SMA and is holding support while making bullish divergent bars. We do have a valid bullish divergent bar from yesterday with a high target of 311.43, and we're attempting to print another one today. Now, Google has an excellent follow-through rate on bullish divergent bars. 9.5 out of 10 times they get the higher high within 3 bars, which is why I love seeing this signal when it pops up. We also have a true low signal that printed yesterday, and we have one flipping on and off today, right in that discount range. And so this tells me it could be a good discount buy opportunity for a longer term swing play. Back here, we had a true low that printed, and as long as you gave yourself enough time, right, this went from a price of around 240 up into the recent highs around 320, 330. So a nice 80 to 90 point move higher. Can't really beat that. And so depending on what you're looking for, if you want a shorter term scalp play, then this 2.5 width spread for this week's expiration might be the way to go about it. If we hit the target, then that should allow for a nice overall profit to be able to be scalped and locked in. If you're looking for a longer term swing play, then I would consider coming out to at least January, if not maybe February, and doing something like a debit broken wing butterfly. This here with the 325 as your target for your short strike is about a 225 cost basis. It's a 775 max profit potential if it pins at the short strike. If it goes completely in the money, it has a forgiveness factor of about a 275 profit. So this way you can give yourself some time to play a bigger trend move. And once again, you're not looking for a strong, necessarily new higher highs, right? You're just looking for a retest of the recent highs that we had back here. So if all we do is go back up and test the top of that range, this butterfly should work out nicely. Another good thing about debit broken wing butterflies like this is if they get to your target a lot faster than anticipated, you can usually still close them out for a profit compared to a standard butterfly where you really want to try and time both the expiration and the move to that target to work out at the same time. A move too soon on a standard butterfly may give you a profit, but probably not as much as you were ideally looking for. So that's why I love these broken wing butterfly strategies for bigger swing plays to the upside. It's a great way to still control your risk while still giving yourself that nice profit potential if you get to the target quickly. Thanks all so much for joining me. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.